What is Ethereum? Ethereum is an internationally recognized open-source platform for decentralized applications. Ethereum's vision is to produce a world computer that every user can build applications through a decentralized method. This means all states and data are distributed and publicly accessible. On Ethereum, you can write code that controls digital value, runs exactly as programmed, and is accessible anywhere in the world. How does Ethereum work? Ethereum has open access to digital money and data-friendly services for everyone, no matter your background or location. It is a community-built technology behind the cryptocurrency Ether. Examples of decentralized applications built on Ethereum include token, decentralized finance apps, lending protocol, and decentralized exchanges. Ethereum uses smart contract, a programmable contract in which developers can write code to program digital value. A smart contract is a programmable contract that allows two parties to establish transactional conditions without requiring a third party for implementation. Every time certain conditions are satisfied, the smart contract will execute the operation as it was programmed. You will need a wallet to get started with Ethereum, which makes it easy to hold and protect ETH. Wallets include MetaMask, MyCrypto, or MyEther wallet. What is Ether? Ether, ETH, is a cryptocurrency that is the primary asset of Ethereum. It is scarce digital money that you can use on the internet and is open to everyone. Miners check and prove your transaction is legitimate. They are then given newly issued ETH. The small fee to be paid on transactions and smart contracts is called gas. The more complex the execution operation is, the more gas is required to fulfill that operation. Gas fees are paid in ETH. The price of gas fluctuates depending on the network demand. ID network is used a lot. For instance, there may be a lot of transactions occurring. Gas price will increase. Similarly, when the network has less activity, the market price of gas decreases. These are the defining features of Ethereum. 1. Private internet. Ensures security and privacy. 2. P2P network. Don't need a middleman for transactions. 3. Decentralized. No one ruling authority and censorship resistant. 4. Commerce guarantees. Creates a level playing field with a built-in guarantee that funds will only change hands if you provide what was agreed.